Okay, today we're going to talk about counting outcomes. A couple different methods we can use. If we look at one way, let's say we toss 3 coins and want to figure out the outcomes. If we have coin 1, we're either going to get heads or tails. Coin number 2, we could get heads or tails. Heads or tails. If we add the third coin into our equation, what we could get? We could get heads or tails, heads or tails, heads or tails, heads or tails. So to count up our outcomes, we could have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 possible outcomes that we could have when we flip 3 coins. Another method for doing this, if we look at number 1, excuse me, it says Joan randomly dials a 7-digit phone number. Well, if we have our 7 digits, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, on a phone, you have the option to dial 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, leaving you 10 options for each one. Okay, so what we would have is 10 times 1 times itself 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. So if we enter that on the calculator, 10 to the 7th power, what we would get is 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So, if we randomly dial the number, there is 10 million different outcomes. A different way a problem is worded, let's look at number 2. A first-year student at school must choose each of 5 English classes, 4 history, 5 math, and 3 physical education classes. So our options are 5 English times 4 history times 5 math times 3 physical education classes. If we multiply all of our options together, 5 times 4 times 5 times 3, we would have over 300 different outcomes that we could get from that. Okay, we're going to skip down to number 4. Number 4 says, a store offers shoes with either extra stability or extra cushion from 4 different manufacturers. So, we have 2 types, stability and cushioning, times our 4 different manufacturers. So we could have a possibility of 8 different outcomes.